Welcome back to my channel Gamer MW. I just brought this bot wireless version 2 on-ear headphone. This is what you get when you order this headphone from Amazon, and there is one you can see this is just advertisement of their products. You can see all the bot products are in this card, and you can see all your celebrities and cricketers available. My favorite cricketers also there. And the most amazing thing is I just got this headset for only $15, that is only 999 rupees in India. And this is a user guidelines. It's just you can read it. There are specification and product envelope like that. And this headphone has good bass effect. The treble is not that much good. I mean the vocal quality is not that much good, but bass is extraordinary, or you can say it has boosted bass. It's not comfortable for everyone, but if you like good bass, then treble, this headset or headphone is amazing, guys. And you will get one USB cable for charging our 900 wireless version 2 headphone, and this is a USB cable. It's available in the box. And one more thing, this is a cable. This cable can be used for connecting the headphone with your phone. That is, this headphone is basically Bluetooth version 5, and you can use that cable for connecting this headphone to your phone. That's pretty much amazing, guys. And these are the specification of this headphone. You can just see super extra bass with HD sound clarity, Bluetooth version 5.0 for enhanced connectivity, integrated controls with microphone for ease of access, lightweight with fit design, okay, dual mode compatibility, and up to 8 hour of pumping bass. So it has 300 around 300 mAh battery and 8 hour of battery backup. And you can see the parts are flexible, movable and rotatable, so it's very nice, and it's easy to use. Its design is amazing and it looks beautiful. And this is a power button. You just click on that, then press on that for 3 seconds, then the power will be on and Bluetooth will be on, and you can charge your headphone in this port, and also connect your headphone with your phone. You can see one port available there. Yeah, I am just connecting it, and I'm just showing how to connect that. Okay. And also you can connect this to your computer or PC or laptop, anything. And you can see the design is amazing. It's 3-dimensionally flexible, rotatable, so it's nice for you using. And there is volume buttons. You can see that there are volume buttons available, and this is for taking the call. The main problem of this device is you can't hear when you are calling, and the opposite person also can't hear anything. That's a problem. As you can see, I got this device for 999 rupees, and it's very good device, and you can buy this. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and support me. See you in next video.